Hello everybody, my name's Harry and I'd like to welcome you to the Dimmitt Automotive Collision Center. We've got some exciting technology here. We got an exciting new facility that we want to showcase. We've got technology, frame machines, paint booths, just a well-rounded facility here that we want to take you on a tour of today. So come on, let's take a few minutes, let's go for a tour. Where we're at now is our disassembly room. This is the very first step in the process of getting your vehicle repaired. This room starts out by our technician bringing your vehicle in after it's been in an accident. He disassembles your car and works with our writer to write a complete and thorough estimate. What this does is it eliminates estimates and supplements from multiple vendors and multiple insurance and allows us to get everything that we need to repair your vehicle. It cuts down on the cycle time, it cuts down on the parts usage, it cuts down on everything in the process to get your car in and out as quickly as possible. Right now, as you see, the room is empty. The room is empty because we want to get them cars disassembled out into the service tech in their bay and begin the process at that time. Well, in this room, we repair all the aluminum vehicles. This room is dedicated to aluminum vehicles and their repair. We do Teslas, Bentleys, Rolls-Royce, McLarens, Jaguars, Land Rovers, everything that you can imagine that has an aluminum structure. We use a lot of equipment here. We've got this new global jig frame machine that we purchased. It allows us to set your vehicle up on a jig system, which is not your typical type of frame machine. When you put the car on there, it's set up exactly the way the manufacturer intended, which allows us to repair that vehicle, put that vehicle back together in the same state that it was before you were in an accident. Right now, we're standing in our main collision side. In here, we've got two dedicated areas for service. One is our body side for repair, and one is our service side. What this allows us to do is when we're doing the collision repair, any service work that has to be done, we no longer have to send it back to the dealership, to the service department. We actually do it right here in-house, which saves time, saves cycle time, gets your car back to you faster than what would be if we had to sublet it back out to our center. So let's take a look. As I mentioned earlier, there's two sides to our collision shop. One is our body side, the next is our mechanic side. Here we do everything in-house. Instead of taking it to the dealership, we do our own alignments, we remove our own motors, we do our own suspension. This allows us once again to keep your vehicle in here as little time as possible and get you back into your vehicle without having to delay it with any sublet repairs. Next, we're going to go see our paint shop. We've disassembled your car, we've done the repair work, we've done the mechanic work, and now we're in our final stage, and that's painting your vehicle. In here, we've got 3 dedicated downdraft paint booths. 2 of those are 9.5 foot tall, and they're 30 foot long. The third one is an impressive 11.5 foot tall, 30 foot long as well. What that does is it allows us to bring in the larger vehicles, such as the large SUVs, the vans, the 4x4s, anything that a smaller booth will not handle. What this does is it allows the paint to go on in a better way and gives us the ability to do more vehicles in this shop. We've disassembled your vehicle, we've repaired your vehicle, we've done any mechanic work that we needed to do, and we've painted your vehicle. Last step is our detail department. We do this to make sure your vehicle comes back to you in a pristine condition. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. My name is Harry. If I could be of service to you, please give me a call.